Normally, if you're using the Google Maps app, you need an internet connection to use it. At least to set a location, you need internet. But sometimes, your smartphone might not have internet. In that case, Google Maps has an option called Offline Maps. This means you can download part of any map and use all the features in Google Maps for that area without internet. In this video, we'll explain how to use Google Maps without internet. For this, open the Google Maps app. Once you've opened it, you'll see a profile button at the top. Click on this profile button. When you do, you'll see an option for Offline Maps. Click on Offline Maps. When you click on that, you'll see an option to select your own map. Click on Select Your Map. When you do, you'll see your current location. If you want to add more area to this location, you can zoom out. To do that, use two fingers to zoom out and select whichever area you want. The area you include will take up space on your phone and will be saved offline. For example, I'm selecting this area. After that, you'll see the file size. Anyway, once you've chosen, click the download button. When you click it, that area will be downloaded. Here, you can see the area is downloaded. After that, even if there's no internet, you can access all the features in Google Maps for this area. So, this is how you can easily use Google Maps without internet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.